Yo, what is up, everybody? I feel like since Instagram's been gone, like I don't even know who I'm talking to anymore. So I was like, dude, you gotta shoot a YouTube video. You gotta get caught back up. And so yeah, that's what we're doing here. I'm waiting to hear back from Instagram, and hopefully they've like reactivated my account. Apparently, there's some sort of misunderstanding, and so I'm gonna find some other means to communicate with you all. I mean, what I really liked about it, and still like, because I'm good. If I don't hear anything back soon, we're just gonna get another page started up. But I would put out info and my stories and all that stuff, and getting feedback from everybody was the quickest way for me to gauge, like, well, one, how everybody's doing, what's going on for the week, the vibe. You guys can know like what we're trying to do as a group. But it's all good, man. You get so tied down to social media and digital stuff, and then when it goes away, it's like, what? Oh my God, what do I do? So, anyways, I want to go over the markets. I want to go over charts, and I think I'm going to just go full blown attack mode. Snapchat, LinkedIn. So this kind of I guess you would say it's not even, we haven't even skipped a beat. I guess it's more me than anything, just because I like to keep showing y'all what I'm doing throughout the day, so you can say it. See, it's just I'm trading 100% of the time, and this is what I'm looking at. But there's always YouTube, and there's always making these videos for you, and that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm at home right now. I'm waiting for furniture service to bring by this ottoman and stuff, and they're supposed to be here at 8. I don't know if you all can relate, but they're like, yeah, we'll be there at in between 8 and 10, and now it's like 2 in the afternoon. And so I can't say I'm surprised, man. It's how it always goes with these things. But let me get my screen mirroring going here. Go. Boom. There it is. Great. All right. So a few pairs. I mean, it's been an action-packed day so far. I'm just looking at, for a lot of people that are in my managed account, this is what I'm looking for USDSEK. And the reason I took this trade is, and if you're seeing this for the first time, thanks for watching. For real, click the links below. We have a badass, amazing community of traders, aspiring traders, and traders that have been around for a couple years now, who have been learning my methods and developing their own and becoming profitable trading FX and different commodities and whatever that cryptos, indices, gold, oil. But so what caught my eye, look, I'm looking at a weekly chart here, and when I see something just like this, when I see something get into this overbought region, it's going to catch my attention. And I've been kind of scalping this and in a few longer positions for a while now. And now you can see we're at a nice, if you're going in my training, this is a beautiful 3 drive. Whoa. This is a beautiful 3 drive here. We got some divergence. Again, this is USDSEK, USD Swedish krona. And so what I'm looking for here is a break of this little trend line, and then we'll probably see some more serious action to the downside. And if we go to the daily chart here, nice reversal candle that got posted yesterday. So this trade's panning out to be good. I'm in a lot of positions here, and I'm just now, especially people that are following me on my managed account, you can see how I like to get a core base position and then it's kind of scalp on the way down, and as it turns around. So hopefully I don't exit this trade too soon. That's, you know, we're at a nice make or break point here, right? So we're starting to get some serious downside. Let me make my face a little bit smaller. Now, let's go to oil. Oil, just complete breakdown today. And if you've been following me, if you're in my group for a while, we've been trading oil. We be trading oil all over it. And oh man, this rejection here at this level that I'd marked down for you guys and gals. I posted it on my old Instagram. That was gone. Memories. It's gone now, but I posted this chart over and over and over again. And dude, the reversal has been huge. And so we're completely out of this wedge here. Let's check it out on a daily. Out of this wedge, right? And then we broke down and we had these lower highs here. And this nice little line of resistance that went across that held up really, really well. And this is our fractal points really kind of illustrated how well of a band of resistance this was. And sure enough, we got a big rejection here. So where are we going? Where are we going? We're at 23.6 retracement here. Maybe we'll see a move back up. Oh, you know what? I'm going to send this chart out to my group, USDSEK. Get that sent out to the VIP group. There we go. And so oil, I think, man, I mean, we're going to get a bounce for sure, maybe. There is war tensions between the United States and Iran, which is super scary, in my opinion, big time, for sure. So that could drive the price of oil back up as Iranian oil exports are huge. War goes up, the supply gets cut off, and then the demand skyrockets. So that would be the big catalyst to make oil push higher. Now this is a good example for all the people that have been my training. Beautiful example of, we got some fanning trend lines. Fanning trend lines here. So what I'm looking for is a bounce and a retest 62 at the backside of this trend line here. This is going to make some great entries. And I think I did like I posted it on Instagram, and I did like a step-by-step ladder kind of this thing walking its way down. But I think this looks very doable with a little bit of in between, of course, but you know, maybe we might have a bounce or stop around this area, which would make sense. 59, 59.5, 58. 38.2 is 57.3. 61.8 is 51.8. So I'll mark that. So we have these levels marked. Let's send this out to my group. Let me pause this for you. I think I'm gonna post this on Twitter too. Follow my Twitter, Ronin Forex Group. Okay, oil shared. So I think long term, retesting. Do you see how this is an inverted head and shoulders here? Shoulder, head, shoulder. So I think retesting this neckline is definitely in the cards. 54. And I think that, which happens to be the 50% retracement. So I think that's what I'm looking at in terms of oil. And I think we got a great setup here. So let's check out gold. I'm going over the positions too that I have that I'm heavy on the managed account. So people that are in there can kind of see my line of thought here. And so, you know, we had a big breakdown here, much to my dismay, because I thought we were really, let's say we had a breakout. We had a break, had a break down after this breakout. There we go. We're in a nice triangle formation here. And seems to be holding pretty well on this 4 hour. We have multiple touches in the RSI down here. So I think a move back to 1281, you know, this level of resistance right here seems very likely. So, and that means we're still in this triangle. False breakout. I think the chance is still high though that we break out of here. Let's see. I mean, so we shall see, but if we do break lower, we still have this 1265. So I'm looking at my iPad over here. We still have this 1265 level, which you can see is a significant level of support. And so we're pretty much trapped in between here for now. You know, and I think there's a good chance of some more serious dollar weakness. The FOMC was today, like they didn't meet, but they went over meeting minutes, and it really wasn't anything hawkish. It wasn't really anything clear or dovish anyways, but it certainly wasn't anything hawkish. So that, I'm kind of thinking that would mean a flat dollar coming up. And so let's take a look at the dollar index. This is the daily chart, right? And I posted this on, we really haven't moved much on Sunday. Still trading in this wedge. We need some sort of big event to break us out of here to the upside, and that really hasn't happened. So until then, we go to the 4 hour. This thing looks like it's pretty stalled out here. RSI is starting to weaken, showing some relative strength. 97.34 area seems pretty likely. Which would be a big turnaround, and then we would see pounds pop. We would see Euro USD possibly make some serious moves to the upside. well, I mean, if we see this drop, then we definitely will see those moves to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at as of right now. I mean, let's go over some of our signal trades. EURNZD. And we really topped out here with some major resistance. And you can see it. I go over this in the training. You can start to see these wicks starting to come off. Very, very solid sign of reversal. And if you're watching this morning, and I'm sure a lot of you all were, if you're watching the charts, maybe you have some positions on. Maybe you went too big on your positions and you're watching it like a hawk and you can't think of anything else but this one trade. Trust me, I've been there and I know how that thinks. I know how that feels. So if you're like, damn, he's talking to me, I know the feeling. So next time, just don't make your trade position so big because that feeling sucks. But diverging RSI, and let's look at this. I like to call it devil horns, right? And we are probing this level of resistance, no doubt. But look how significant this is, right? This thing goes back and has caused some pretty big rejections in the past. Here we are here. So I'm feeling good at being able to squeeze a few pips out of this thing. Let's see where that matches up on a Fibonacci chart. A little bit past the 50% retracement. Right in between 50 and 61.8% retracement here. Let's take a look at Euro Pound. Very, very similar. And Pound, tons of news out of Great Britain this week, especially concerning Brexit and Theresa May. And it's about as big of a drama as the United States and Trump. I would argue not as big because because at least they have some class over there. Not hating on anybody, but it's just getting ridiculous on all sides. At least in the UK, y'all are being polite. I mean, I think they're going to throw some milkshakes at somebody. But, you know, that's small potato. Here, everybody's got guns. So it's getting out of hand. So, yeah, I mean, seriously, I would be nervous as hell at a Trump rally. Not because, well, because I'm sure the vibes are crazy there, but because, like, you can be sure half the people there have a gun on them. So I'd just be like, I'm going to stay at home, stay at the office, and maybe look at the Forex market and, you know, play it safe. Maybe go out to dinner or something, go for a run. And, yeah, I know, no Instagram. Shiva's like, dude, I was becoming an Instagram influencer. Shiva. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Everybody wants to say hi. What's up, buddy? Huh? Hey, where's your cone? Who's that? Shiva. What are you doing? See, the people want Shiva back to Instagram. That's what I should have said on Instagram. And like, dude, it's not even about me. You guys don't understand my dog. He's getting like, I should start a Shiva Instagram page. Have you seen, okay, see, I haven't been on there, so I just feel like talking, but like those pages, the dog pages with like 1 million followers, like those dogs are making the page owners bank, man. It's crazy. But euro pound, we got some divergence here. We got this, look at this huge rejection. And for the people that are, I don't even know if you'd call this a 3 drive, but we're in some serious rejection territory. I feel like that wick right there is really telling a good story here. This wick was yesterday, right? So we're really trapped. This, you know, it looked like it was turning around big time yesterday. It didn't. I think all the longs are getting shook out here. Stops being taken out, and then we might see those moves to the downside. So hope you all enjoyed this market update. Let's just take one more look at this is a good sign of the upcoming possible dollar weakness, depending on how this plays out. But on the 1 hour, not quite there. Okay, so I mean, has the potential of it being a bit of a turnaround. We're on some significant support here, 110.3. So this may be a good dip to buy. If it's not, and UJ breaks down here, you can really expect gold to make some moves to the upside, and then the dollar weakness really coming in. So hope you found this video helpful. I appreciate all of y'all, and stay tuned. I'm gonna get a new page going or whatever, but that means more YouTube videos, and I've been posting on my Facebook business page. But the thing is with that, like, unless you pay Facebook and run ads, nobody's gonna see your post. So which kind of sucks. But I've been in the VIP group, in our chat group as well. So that's always going to be going on. So hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you in the chat room. All right, everybody. How do I turn this off now? Okay. All right, everybody. I'm going to call about this ottoman and see why they haven't delivered my furniture yet, because it's like almost 2:30. Crazy. Let's keep crushing it this week. Oh, yeah, and everybody that's in Dallas, I'll be there this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I'll be doing like a talk, telling a bit of my story, and hanging out with everybody on Saturday. It's going to be fun. So I will see y'all there, hopefully. All right. Adios.